Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to manage batches from the All Batches section in a simple and step-by-step way. By watching this video, you will understand how to check the students list in a batch, how to generate bills for all students in a batch, how to track monthly payments and send due notifications, how to see class schedules, attendance reports, leaderboard exam reports, and use the different options available under the Action and More Action buttons. So let's get started. At the beginning, if we look at the left side of the screen, we can see a menu called Batches. Under the Batches menu, there are two submenus. Click on All Batches. After clicking it, a page called All Batches will open. Here you will see several columns, such as Batch Name, Students, Course Name, Payment Type, Created By, Status, Date, and the Action button. Under the Action button, we'll also find a few additional options. Edit button, Students in this batch, Disable button, More Action button. Let's take a look at them one by one. If we click on the Edit button, it will take us to the batch information page. From there, we can view and edit the name of that batch. If we click on students in this batch, we will be able to see all the students who are currently enrolled in that batch. If we click on the Disable button, a confirmation notification will appear at the top middle of the screen. It will ask whether you really want to disable the batch or not. Now, if we click on the More Action button, we will see several additional options. If we click on Dues and Batch, it will open a due report page. Here we can see total amount, paid amount, due amount, If we go to the monthly payment tracker, we will see how many months' bills have been generated and which month's bill was generated last. This feature is only showing monthly fees. Now, if we go to See Class Schedule, we will be able to see all the class schedules that are related to this batch. This section displays every class schedule associated with the selected batch, so we can easily review all the scheduled classes in one place. Now, click on Generate Bill for this batch. Here, you can see an option called Payment Type or Head. You can click on it and select the option according to your preference. For example, if I select Monthly Fee, you will notice that a new option called Month will appear. After selecting the month, the amount will be filled automatically. Then simply click on the Save button. Once you click Save, a message will appear on the top left side of the screen saying, "The bill has been generated successfully for the active students under the batch." Now, we click on See Leaderboard Exam Report. We will get the option to select two different dates. This allows us to choose the time range from which we want to see the exam report. After selecting the dates, click on Get Report, and the report will be displayed. Now, if we click on Send Due Notification, the administrator of CoachSys will be able to send notification messages to students who have outstanding dues. On this page, there is also an option called Exclusion Days. Now you might have a question, what is Exclusion Days? Exclusion Days is the option where you can enter a number of days. If any student has paid any amount of their due within those selected days, they will not receive the due notification message. In simpler terms, while sending due notifications, CoachSys provides an option where you can exclude students who recently made a payment. For example, if you set the exclusion days to 1 or 2 days, any student who paid part of their due within the last 1 or 2 days will not receive the due notification, even if they still have some remaining dues. This helps maintain a more considerate and professional communication with students, and the entire process works automatically within the system. Now, if we click here, we can deactivate the accounts of students who still have unpaid dues. The available options are One is deactivate only. This will simply deactivate the accounts of those students who have outstanding dues. Another is deactivate and download PDF. This will deactivate the accounts and also download a PDF file of student with. Now click on Daily Attendance Report. Using this option, you can generate day-wise attendance reports for any batch. It allows you to see whether students were present or absent in each class session. We can also select the attendance status, either present or absent. After selecting everything, we can simply click on Search button. It will show you which students are present or absent. If we click on Show Class Schedule-Based Attendance Report, we will see two options. Select Class Schedule. Select Attendance Status. When we select Class Schedule, it will show the class name along with the date. Then we can choose the attendance status as present. After clicking Search, it will show all the students who were present in that class. If we click Send Last Month Attendance Report with SMS, a confirmation notification will appear asking whether we want to send the last month attendance report to students. The same process will happen if we choose Send Last Month Attendance Report with email. Now, if we click on Show Inactive Batches, we will be able to see the list of batches that were created previously but are currently inactive. This section helps us identify which batches were used before but are not active at the moment. So that's how you can manage and use all the options available in the All Batches section. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the process clearly. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.